On a sunny branch, Pico the parrot keeps a chest of bright seeds. Pico loves to stack them and count, but he loves to keep more. Mine, he squawks, guarding the seeds. A small sparrow asks, "May I have a seed?" Pico frowns and says, "Not now." The other birds flutter. A wind gust shakes the branch, and the seeds spill. Pico sees the little ones hungry. He offers a seed to each, sharing slowly. They smile and chirp. Pico learns that sharing makes the tree feel full of friends. From then on, Pico shares first, and the branch stays bright with laughter.